So I wanted to give you guys a very quick intro. As you can tell by the title, this is my first attempt of doing a twist out on my hair since being natural and since my hair has gotten longer. So here is pretty much the outcome. You guys will see it again at the end, but in this video, I pretty much will show you how I did my twist, and then the next day, which is today, taking the twist down and my finished outcome. Now, for the most part, it looks okay. It will be something that I need to get used to because I don't do a whole lot of the afro kind of looks. My hair is usually just curly with water and gel and all that stuff. But for the most part, it came out okay. So I cannot complain about that. It'll just have some use and I need time to get used to it. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are watching now and not subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're gonna go ahead and roll into the video. I will see you guys in my next one. So I've already washed my hair, and now I'll be putting in my Texture by Cantu leave-in plus rinse out hydrating conditioner. I did leave this conditioner in because it is also a leave-in conditioner. I still need to do a review on these products for you guys, so I will get that out as soon as possible. But as you guys can see, my hair is half parted, half up, half down, and I'm applying the conditioner to the top portion of my hair only right now, because that's where I'm going to be starting my twist out. And as you guys can see, I didn't really part it with a comb. I just took a section of my hair with my fingers, and then I went ahead and I put the rest up in a little ponytail so it will stay out of the way. So of course, after applying the conditioner, it's time to apply a gel. So I'm using the new Eco Style Olive Oil, Shea Butter, Black Castor Oil, and Flaxseed Gel. I did do a review on this gel already, so I will link it down in the description box as well as in the cards above. But as you guys can see, I finger coiled the gel through my hair, and then I pulled apart my hair to start my twist. Now when it comes to the twist, you want to make sure that you grip it really well at the root, because you want to make sure that that twist is tight. Now I do know when it comes to twist outs, it depends on how big you do your twist, how small you do your twist, and the direction that you do your twists in. All of this will determine the outcome of your finished twist out. So the same thing that I just did, I will be doing again and all throughout my hair. I just wanted to make sure that this part, you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So the rest of the process I did speed up because it's very repetitive, but I did want to make sure that you guys see exactly how I'm twisting my hair and how I got to this part, which included adding the conditioner and the gel and all that stuff. So once again, I'm applying the gel through my hair, and then I will be pulling apart my hair to begin my twist out. So now that I'm all done twisting my hair, I'm adding a little bit more hydration. I'm using my Proclaim Jamaican Black Castor Oil Curl Refresher Spray. And you guys know that my hair is dry. I say that all the time. So I like to add a little bit more moisture to my hair, especially since I went to bed and I covered up my hair overnight. So as you guys can see, I'm applying my bonnet, making sure I tuck every one of my twists inside of my bonnet, not leaving any out because I'm getting ready to go to bed. So now it's the next day and I've removed my bonnet, getting ready to unravel these twists out of my hair. So I'm going to start from the back, and the same way that you twist your hair, you guys know that you just untwisted the opposite way. So I'm doing that, and I'll be doing that for the rest of my hair. Of course, I did speed up the process. So now I'm using my Aussie Hair Insurance leave-in conditioner just to add a little bit of moisture to my hair, even though this style is more of a dry type of style. And then I'm going in with my 24-hour Edge Tamer Extra Mega Hold Edge Control. And of course applying that on my edges and kind of styling my hair in a way that I want to style it for this particular style. So of course I went in with my pick just to pick out my hair a little bit because it wasn't really working with me. I really didn't like how it had came out, and just making sure that all my twists are twisted out, and that's pretty much how I left it, to be honest, y'all. And then I'm going in with my Gorilla Snot, and I'm just applying that over the edge control just to make sure my hair is laid. You guys know edge control is basically edge control, and the Gorilla Snot helps to lay my hair down a little bit more. So here is the finished outcome. I did like how it turned out. It could be way better, so that does take time, practice, and patience. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you do, and I will see you guys in my next one.